The BrewDemon Signature Pro Conical Fermenter Kit is built around BrewDemon's signature compact conical fermenter design and targets smaller batch craft brewers who want cleaner beer with less sediment. Key product details from the listing: a 2-gallon conical fermenting system with a patented co-venting feature, adjustable flow spigot, integrated temperature gauge. Recipe ingredients included: a gallon Pilsner in the Signature Pro listing, a set of PET bottles. The listing variations include several PET bottles, caps and labels, bottle filler and hoses, airlock and rubber stoppered fittings depending on bundle, and accessories like a heat-resistant mixing spoon. The conical shape lets trub and yeast separate and remain below the withdrawal points so you can rack clearer beer and reduce the need for secondary transfers, something many homebrewers appreciate when they want better clarity without extra equipment. Amazon reviewers commonly praise the BrewDemon for making fermentation cleanup and bottling simpler and for producing surprisingly good flavor for small batches. Comments frequently note that the conical design makes it easier to collect yeast and reuse or discard it cleanly. Some buyers caution that the kit's plastic PET bottles aren't glass. They're lightweight and convenient, but show wear with repeated use and can affect perception of quality for some hobbyists. Others who have used the kit repeatedly point to excellent customer support and the value of the included recipes for learning the basics. If you want a compact, pro-style fermenting workflow for 1 to 2-gallon batches, the BrewDemon Signature Pro provides that with thoughtful hardware and a gentle learning curve. We share by links in description box.